Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Lorna.
And I'm Deepa. How about having a healthy lunch with chickpeas?
Yeah, chickpeas are delicious and they have a lot of proteins in them that are super good for you.
And these two dishes are going to be great even for weight loss.
Yeah, they are two lunch dishes and I can't wait to show them to you.
These two dishes almost have the same ingredients with it, like onion, tomatoes, chickpeas. But you know what? She's going to make a salad and I'm going to make a soup.
Number one, we're gonna make the chickpea salad. For this, I'm gonna start by adding 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. I love chickpeas as they have a lot of proteins in them and they're super healthy for your lunch. And then I have half cup of cucumbers. The skin is peeled off from this. You can leave the skin on. And then I have half cup of crumbled paneer. This is super delicious. It makes the salad super amazing. And also paneer has tons of proteins in it, like the chickpeas. And then I have 1 chopped tomato. I love tomatoes as they add a nice tanginess to the salad. Finally, we have 1 chopped onion that I'm gonna add in. And along with that, I'm gonna add some cilantro. For the salad dressing, I'm making a simple olive oil salad dressing. I'm gonna add in some olive oil. I'm gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of chopped masala. And then some salt and some pepper. And then we're gonna add some pepper. And then finally we're gonna add in a tint of lemon juice. And then we mix it up. Today I'm just gonna pour it all over. Then we're gonna give it a good mix. Now this 1 bowl of lunch is completely filling and has all the proteins that you need. But if you wanna add some carbs to your lunch, you can use chapatis or tortillas. You can just roll it up and have it like a roll and munch it up, which is super good for lunch, super filling, and completes the meal like a complete healthy lunch with all the proteins, carbs, everything you need.
Let's make chickpea soup. I'm going to add little olive oil. This soup is so easy, so tasty, and it's like not so filling. You can have it for lunch or for your breakfast too. I'm going to add 1 garlic finely chopped. Garlic adds nice flavor to your soup. If you don't like garlic, you can avoid it, but garlic is really a great flavoring to the soups. Once the garlic turns translucent, I'm going to add a finely chopped onions. If you have celeries, you can add celery too. Here I'm going to add carrots instead of celery. Saute it for just a few seconds. Once the onion turns translucent, I'm going to add in 1 chopped tomato. This gives a nice tanginess to the soup, and also when the tomato gets mushier, it adds a nice color to the soup. Now the tomatoes have been turned soft and mushy. I'm going to add in the cucumbers. Here I have half cup of cucumber. If you prefer, you can add zucchini too. I'm adding cucumber here. So add the salt that's required for the soup. Some cumin powder. It aids in digestion as well as it's a nice combination of chickpea and cumin powder. I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin powder here. Now I've added cucumber and it's been a minute. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cooked chickpea to this. And I'm going to add a cup of water. This is water from the chickpeas that's been cooked. If you are using canned chickpea, you can add vegetable stock to it. Since we cooked it fresh, we have the cooked chickpea water and I'm adding a cup and let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. We have added everything now. I'm going to put it in simmer and then cover it and cook for at least 10 minutes. And let's take a look after 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes and the wonderful chickpea soup is ready. I can see the nice color. As I told you, the tomato adds a nice color to the soup. I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro and then I'm going to add in some pepper. This soup is filling as such for lunch, and if you would like to have some carbs, you can take some garlic bread along with it. Some people prefer their soup to be little thickened. If in that case, you can either add cornstarch to it or you can take 3 to 4 chickpeas, grind it in a mixer and add that paste to it. So the soup is ready. I'm going to transfer it into a soup bowl. Yeah, you like to have this?
Yeah, and today we have Vargas to help us taste like always.
This quantity makes 2 servings of soup bowl and you can enjoy it for lunch.
This is so good. It kind of tastes like chickpea rasam.
Yeah, because you have added the cumin and pepper, it's more like rasam and it's really soothing for your tummy. Hope you guys loved the chickpea soup and the chickpea salad. That's very healthy for your lunch and it's very filling for summer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget